Imagine a world where Earth suddenly stops spinning. The first thing you'd notice is the dramatic shift in gravity. If Earth were to stop spinning instantaneously, the effects would be catastrophic. We're used to the Earth's rotation at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. Without that movement, everything not anchored to the ground would continue moving at that speed. Buildings, trees, oceans, and even the atmosphere would be swept away by the sudden halt. As the Earth halts its spin, the atmosphere would lag behind, creating enormous winds traveling at hurricane speeds. These winds would tear across the surface, causing massive destruction, uprooting trees, collapsing buildings, and potentially creating a shockwave of devastation around the globe. Next, without the rotation, the shape of the Earth would start to change. The planet is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator due to its spin. If Earth were to stop spinning, this bulge would collapse, and the oceans would move toward the poles. Coastal areas would be submerged under vast amounts of water, displacing millions of people. Temperatures would become extreme, too. On one side of the planet, you'd have endless day with the sun shining down relentlessly, making it unbearably hot. On the other side, the darkness would create freezing conditions. The sudden loss of the day-night cycle would lead to extreme weather patterns, making it even harder for life to survive. And then there's the issue of gravity. Right now, Earth's spin counteracts the pull of gravity at the equator. Without that spin, gravity would become slightly stronger. This could lead to a shift in how we experience weight, and it might even affect the human body, making it harder to move or function in the same way. In the aftermath of this global catastrophe, life as we know it would be drastically altered. Habitats would be destroyed, the atmosphere would be in chaos, and Earth itself would become a drastically different planet. The sudden stop of Earth's rotation might seem like a science fiction scenario, but it highlights just how fragile and interconnected our planet's systems are. It's a reminder of how small changes in our environment can have enormous, far-reaching consequences.